In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade Square appointments. Whether you're looking to streamline your booking process or need more advanced features for your growing business, upgrading your Square appointments plan can provide the flexibility and functionality you need. Let's walk through it together step by step. Start by opening your web browser and heading over to the Square website at squareup.com. It's important to access the correct platform to ensure you're making changes to your actual account. Once you're on the home page, look towards the top right corner of the page where you'll find the sign in button. Give that a click and you'll be prompted to enter your Square account credentials. If you're like most of us and struggle to remember login details, make sure you have them handy or stored safely in a password manager. After signing in, you'll be directed to your dashboard. Here, you'll want to focus your attention on your business name or the profile icon, which is usually located at the top or somewhere easily visible. Click on that and a drop-down menu should appear. From this menu, select Account Settings. This is the hub where you can adjust your preferences and manage your overall account configuration. Moving right along, within the account settings, you'll need to locate and click on the option that says Pricing and Subscriptions. This section is specifically designed for managing your plan details and reviewing available subscription options. It's where the next steps towards upgrading your appointments plan take place. As you delve into the Pricing and Subscriptions section, you'll find several plan options laid out for you. The most basic is the free plan, which offers essential solo booking capabilities. However, if you're seeking more robust features such as team calendars and automated reminders, you'll want to consider the Plus plan. For businesses operating across multiple locations, the premium plan provides an extensive range of features. Decide which plan best suits your needs and proceed to upgrade. Before finalizing your choice, take some time to review the features and pricing details to ensure it aligns with your business goals. Make sure you're completely comfortable with the billing cycle you select, whether that's a monthly or annual payment. Confirm these details and then move on to the payment section. Here, you'll enter or confirm your payment method. It's crucial to have the correct billing information to avoid any disruptions in service. Once you've done this, you're almost at the finish line. Look for the confirm or subscribe button and give it that final click to complete your upgrade. And there you have it. You've successfully upgraded your Square appointments plan. By taking these steps, you've potentially unlocked a host of new features that can take your booking process to the next level. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.